Samsung's Galaxy S24 series may be getting all the attention, but the company also has a bunch of A-series models in the pipeline. The Galaxy A25 5G is expected to go official sometime in the first half of 2024. Months ahead of its launch, we bring you exclusive official renders of the phone. The renders, shared with us by a trusted, confidential source, give you an early look at the device's design and color options. The Galaxy A25 5G will succeed Samsung's Galaxy A24, which came with 4G connectivity in April this year. We saw the 2024 model in unofficial CAD renders in black a few months back. Today, we give you the first official look at the phone in all of its color variants. The Korean firm currently has 4 colors planned for the Galaxy A25 5G: black, blue-gray, lime green, and light blue. As usual, Samsung may use some fancy names for these colors in its marketing materials. However, the color scheme for the Galaxy A25 5G mostly matches with its predecessor. The hues aren't vibrant but not too bland either. Overall, it's a fairly standard Galaxy design with an expected mid-range look. The phone is expected to measure 162 x 77.5 x 8.3 millimeters in dimension, with the right side slightly raised to accommodate the power and volume buttons. The power button will incorporate a capacitive fingerprint scanner. The display, rumored to measure 6.44 inches diagonally, has a U-shaped notch and notable bezels around it, particularly the chin. The notch may house a 13MP selfie camera, unchanged from the Galaxy A24. On the back, Samsung is keeping the same camera design it has employed on all Galaxy phones this year. The Galaxy A25 5G has 3 cameras aligned vertically. There's no camera bumper here, with the LED flash sitting next to the 3 sensors. Rumors have hinted at an unchanged 50MP primary shooter for the phone. The specs of the other 2 rear cameras are not known. The Galaxy A24 has a 5MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP macro camera. Samsung may be focusing on improving the camera software rather than a hardware upgrade. The Galaxy A25 5G has already shown up on a few benchmark listings. The listings have revealed the Samsung Exynos 12A processor for the phone. It's a 5nm chip featuring 2 ARM Cortex-A78 CPU cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores at 2.0 GHz. The chipset features ARM's Mali G68 GPU. Samsung will offer the phone with up to 8 GB of RAM. Other rumored specs of the upcoming mid-range Galaxy smartphone include a 5000 mAh battery, 2580 fast charging, and Android 14 with One UI 6.0 or One UI 6.1. The device should be eligible for 4 major Android OS updates, up to Android 18. Stay tuned for more leaks and rumors about the Galaxy A25 5G as Samsung continues its work on the device behind the scenes. What are some of the things that Samsung could have done better with the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G? Do let us know it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.